ESPN First Take analyst Stephen A. Smith says Keith Thurman wants no parts of Errol Spence. Now, I'm not going to sit up here and say that Keith Thurman is afraid of Errol Spence. At the end of the day, he needs to be respected as a fighter. He is a fighter. He is a champion, WBA champion. I'm not going to give him WBC because he never sat up there and fought Amir Khan. So we're not giving him WBC, but he is a champion. So for me to sit up here and say Keith Thurman as a fighter, a champion, he's afraid of another man, I'm not going to sit up there and do that. But does he believe he can beat Errol Spence? That's another thing. I don't believe Keith Thurman has the belief in himself that he can beat Errol Spence. As you recall with Floyd Mayweather, he was very vocal. I mean, calling out Floyd from pillar to post. Every interview, I want Floyd Mayweather. I'm not afraid to let it go. When you talk about Errol Spence, you sit up there and bring up Errol Spence's name. He says Errol Spence is green. He's not a champion. At the time, he would say Spence is not a champion. He would make up every excuse from Genesis to Revelations why he wouldn't fight Errol Spence. So to say Keith Thurman is afraid of Errol Spence, nah. I'm not going to sit up here and say that. Does Keith Thurman has the belief in his heart, deep down in his soul, that he can beat Errol? I don't believe that either. So to some degree, I agree with Stephen A. Smith. I don't believe Keith is afraid, but he don't have that belief in his heart that he can beat Errol Spence. But I want to hear from you guys. Let me know what y'all think. Do you agree with Stephen A. Smith that Keith Thurman wants no parts of Errol Spence? Feel free to drop me a comment. Hit that like button. Stop playing. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'm out.